In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to see all avatars in VRchat on your Oculus Quest. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. So, on Quest, the minimum displayed performance rank is set to medium by default. What this means is that you will not see any avatars ranked as poor or very poor. Is there a way to change this? You can go into the performance rank polycount settings in order to change this by accessing the performance options. From there, you can set the minimum display performance rank and the maximum avatar download size. Be aware that the more performance you want to see avatars have, the less FPS you will have in-game. So when you change this option, expect some FPS drops on your Oculus Quest. Sadly, you need to make this compromise in order to see all avatars on Quest, and the only way to get better FPS while still seeing all avatars is to use a powerful enough PC and VR to play VRchat. I hope I was able to help you on how to see all avatars in VRchat Oculus on your Quest. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.